Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change keyboard settings in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Time and Language, then click on Language and Region. Now guys, I have this list of languages installed in my PC. You want to any specific language, so click on Add Language. Select country like German. Now select that language, then click on Next. Now leave as default, and also guys you can set as Windows display language, then click on Install. Now once you successfully install, restart your PC. So like this guys, you can change keyboard settings in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.